We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say actual character names as well that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned for those. But how do you pronounce this name? Well, some say it as Pokemon, Pokemon, so the emphasis is always on the first syllable, but the middle syllable is where pronunciations vary. Some say it as Pokemon, some say it as Pokemon, Pokemon. But in Japanese you have to say that it is said as Pokemon, Pokemon, so there's the E sound in the middle. So really you should be saying it as Pokemon, Pokemon, not Pokemon or Pokemon, but rather Pokemon. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce names of actual Pokemons whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Did I say Pokemon? Well, Pokemons, Pokemons. Here they are. I'll see you there to learn more. Cheers.